As a business owner, being selected for an audit can be intimidating. This video will help you learn what to expect if you were audited by the Tennessee Department of Revenue. We will discuss several key areas related to audits, including how and why a business may be selected, what you can expect if you were selected for an audit, the Tennessee Taxpayer Bill of Rights, and options available to you at the completion of the audit. One of the most common questions we get is, why was I selected for an audit? Being selected for an audit doesn't necessarily mean you have done something wrong. The primary purpose of an audit is to promote compliance with Tennessee's tax laws. Thus, businesses are sometimes selected for audit at random. However, audits may also be assigned as the result of audit leads from referrals or reviews of other businesses, data matching projects or other standard criteria, potential improper use of exemptions, discrepancies or inconsistencies in reporting, failure to register and collect required sales taxes. When you are contacted for an audit, here are some general guidelines you should follow. Respond quickly to letters, phone calls, and requests for information. Decide if you want a third party, such as your accountant or tax professional, involved in the audit, and choose a private work area for the auditor to review confidential financial records. It is also important to know that you, as a taxpayer, have certain rights. Among these are the right to receive fair and courteous treatment from all the department's employees, tax forms and information written in plain language, and prompt and accurate responses to all questions and requests for tax assistance. As you work with the auditor, you may also have other questions. Here are some common examples of questions you may have. What kinds of taxes are audited? There are a number of taxes administered by the Department of Revenue. The auditors may want to review all of the various taxes that you file with the department. However, some of the more commonly audited taxes include sales and use taxes, business taxes, and franchise excise taxes. How long should I keep my business records? Business records must be kept for at least the last 3 years plus the current year. What if I want my accountant or tax professional involved in the audit? A power of attorney form will be given to you which enables you to authorize other participants to be involved in the audit. The audit generally begins by phone when the auditor informs you that you have been selected for an audit. The auditor will then schedule a meeting with you to get a better understanding of your business, your accounting procedures, and the types of records that you have maintained. The auditor will also inform you of the various taxes which are being audited and the time period covered for each tax. A confirmation letter will be sent to you letting you know the start date of the audit and the records needed. The types of records you may be asked for include sales journals, invoices, federal income tax returns, bank statements, and other similar records. If you maintain electronic records, you will be asked to share them in that format. As the auditor is reviewing records, he or she may contact you to clarify any findings or ask for more information or records. Once the audit report is completed, it will be delivered to you, preferably in person. This will give the auditor a chance to explain his or her findings and will give you a chance to ask any questions you may have. The audit may result in additional tax owed, a credit for overpayment of tax, or no adjustment if no more taxes are due. If you owe additional taxes, you may choose to pay the amount due, or you may wish to appeal. The auditor will discuss the appeal options with you, but these include asking for a meeting with the audit supervisor or manager, requesting an informal conference with the department's hearing office, and/or filing suit. Every audit is different. The auditor will talk with you about the reasons for your audit, your rights as a taxpayer, the records necessary to complete the audit, and the options available to you when the audit is completed. On behalf of the Tennessee Department of Revenue, we hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call our toll-free number at 1-800-342 1003.